Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your Jabra Elite 7 Active with your MacBook. So to do this, you have to charge them at least for the 30 minutes by using this USB-C port. And next, when you do this, just simply open this charging case and then remove left and also the right earbud. Right now, we have to click and hold on these two buttons at the same time until indicators turns blue. As you can see right now, it is blinking, so that's how you can enter the pairing mode. And right now we have to put them close to your MacBook. Just do not put them back to this charging case. And right now we can go to the system settings, go to the Bluetooth, turn it on, and then from nearby devices list we have to select Jabra Elite 7 Active. Click on the connect button. As you can see right now, we are successfully connected, and the next step, you have to go to the sound settings and check the output and the input device. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.